Will I actually be ready to tattoo? What to expect in a real tattoo apprenticeship? Many aspiring tattoo artists worry if they'll truly be ready to tattoo after an apprenticeship. The industry is competitive, and without proper training, many apprentices finish feeling unprepared, lacking confidence, or struggling to secure clients. A quality tattoo apprenticeship program should offer structured, hands-on training that builds the technical skills, experience, and confidence to walk into a shop and start tattooing. How a real tattoo apprenticeship prepares you for success. A structured apprenticeship is more than just holding a tattoo machine. It's about mastering the full range of skills needed to be a successful artist. Expect to learn tattoo machine mastery, understanding coil and rotary machines, adjusting voltage and proper hand movement for clean lines and smooth shading, skin anatomy and application techniques. Tattooing requires knowledge of skin depth, stretching techniques, and ink saturation for different skin types. Proper hygiene and safety, training in cross-contamination prevention, workstation setup, sterilization, and bloodborne pathogens to maintain a professional environment. Stencil placement and design adaptation, learning to place stencils effectively, adjust designs for muscle movement, and make artwork tattoo-friendly. Tattoo techniques, skills in line work, shading, color packing, and blending, plus adjustments for styles like realism, traditional, fine line, and color tattoos. Client interaction and business skills, consulting with clients, pricing your work, building a strong portfolio, and growing a loyal client base. By the end of a proper apprenticeship, you should feel confident with a tattoo machine, comfortable with clients, and ready to tattoo professionally. Red flags that an apprenticeship won't prepare you. More cleaning than learning. If you spend more time on shop chores than tattooing, you may not get the experience you need. No structured learning plan. If there's no clear roadmap of what you'll learn, you risk stalling your progress. No real clients by the end. If you're not tattooing real clients before your apprenticeship ends, you won't be ready to launch your career. Lack of feedback or mentorship. Regular feedback and guidance are crucial for skill development. If it's missing, your growth may be stunted. Will you be ready to tattoo after an apprenticeship? If you choose the right program, absolutely. A structured, hands-on apprenticeship should equip you with the skills, experience, and confidence to start tattooing professionally. If you are serious about becoming a professional tattoo artist, email or call us today.